kapulisan, kundi ng isang tao.
Ano yun?
Wow, 5,000 na, no?
Hindi yun.
Lapit ako, lapit.
Ang totoo niyan ako ay may inutusan na isa, akala ko yung mapagkakatiwalaan. Yun pala ho. Kaya niya ako, hindi ko malaman. Pinagkatiwalaan ko siya, biniyo niya ako bago siya kumanang, kasi may pinakabaw pera sa kanya, pinangalan ko sa kanya, pinaka-isuyo ko. Yun ang nangyari, naghintay niya ako. Naghintay niya ako hanggang sa, hindi ko alam na. Kaya pala niya ako talagang biniyo para makuha niya ng litrato at pagbalik niya at nagpaalam lang siya, kunin niya rin yung pera. Hindi na bumalik, maya naghintay lang kami sa upuan para dumating yung tao na inutusan ko. Dumating naman yung mga intel. Wala naman nung problema sa kanila. Maayos naman ho na tinirato ako.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On January 24, 2019, at about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, members of Bacoor City Police Station, together with PDEA Cavite in coordination with PDEA 4A, conducted illegal drugs operation along Tagumpay Compound, Tabing Dagat, Barangay Alima, Bacoor City, which resulted in the arrest of 2 suspects. One of them is Bishop Richard Alcantara of the Sacred Order of St. Michael, 38 years old, residing arong Barangay Sinigulasan, Bacoor City. Another suspect arrested is Perlito Aglipay, 52 years old, male, residing at Tagumpay Compound, Tabing Dagat, Barangay Alima, Bacoor City. During the operation, our police officer who acted as pusher buyer managed to buy 1 piece of heat-sealed transparent plastic sachet containing crystalline substance believed to be shabu from the suspect Fernando Dacuma, who managed to evade arrest when the pusher buyer introduced himself as police officer. However, the team caught in the act 2 suspects while sniffing the suspected shabu.